Imagine a day where you wake up in your smart home, eat lab grown food, get ready for work with the help of a robot assistant, and commute in an autonomous vehicle, all while being entertained by AI created music. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the twist: who's steering the ship of innovation? Us, or the very technology we have created? Welcome back to Spill Edge. This is the grand finale of our series, Tech in Everyday Life. Over the past episodes, we've explored the marvels of smart homes, futuristic food, algorithmic love, digital health, and much more. Today, we're stepping back to see the big picture. What does all this tech mean for us as individuals, as a society, and as a planet? To understand, let's journey through three lenses: opportunity, caution, and responsibility. The future looks dazzling, particularly when we consider how technology has democratized opportunity across various sectors. Personalized learning apps and AI tutors have transformed education. Students from remote villages can now access the same quality of education as those in metropolitan cities. This equalization of educational resources helps bridge the knowledge gap, empowering learners regardless of their geographical location. Wearables and telemedicine have made healthcare more accessible than ever. A farmer residing in a village in Tamil Nadu can consult a specialist in Chennai without traveling miles, ensuring timely medical advice and treatments. This shift not only enhances individual health outcomes, but also strengthens community health systems. Remote work tools and platforms like Fiverr and Upwork allow anyone, anywhere to offer their skills on a global stage. This flexibility opens up new income opportunities and enables talent to shine, irrespective of location. Technology is like a magnifying glass. It takes what you already have and amplifies it. For some, it brings wealth and convenience. For others, it highlights inequalities that need attention. As we celebrate the advancements, we must also acknowledge the disparities that persist and work towards inclusive solutions that ensure everyone benefits from technological progress. As dazzling as the future seems, we can't ignore the pitfalls that accompany technological advancement. Our smart homes and wearable devices collect vast amounts of data, but do we really know who's looking at it? A 2023 report revealed that over 50% of Indians are worried about their personal data being misused by companies. The lack of transparency and control over personal information raises significant concerns about privacy and security. While automation creates jobs in new sectors, it also eliminates many traditional roles. For instance, driverless cars could replace millions of drivers globally, leading to significant economic disruption and loss of livelihoods. The challenge lies in retraining and supporting affected workers to transition into new roles. Social media algorithms are designed to keep us hooked, but at what cost? Anxiety, depression, and a constant need for validation are becoming alarmingly common. The pressure to maintain an online persona can take a toll on mental well-being, highlighting the need for a more balanced approach to technology use. These pitfalls emphasize the importance of a thoughtful and inclusive approach to technological advancement. As we embrace the future, we must also advocate for policies and practices that prioritize data privacy, job security, and mental health, ensuring that technology serves everyone equitably. The good news? Technology isn't a force of nature we can't control. It's like a bicycle. It doesn't move unless we steer it and pedal. But are we steering it in the right direction? That's the big question. Let's look at three key responsibilities humanity has to ensure technology works for everyone. Number one, what do we prioritize? Should we always put convenience above everything else? Sure, drones delivering groceries sound cool, but what about their impact on jobs, the environment, and even privacy? Take EVs for example. They are hailed as the future of eco-friendly transport, but producing the batteries often involves mining rare earth materials like lithium. This mining not only harms ecosystems, but also exploits workers in developing countries. So, are EVs as green as they seem? In 2023, a rural community in Rajasthan faced severe water shortages. Investigations revealed that excessive water usage in lithium mining operations nearby had drained their resources. It's a stark reminder that progress for one group should not come at the cost of another. Question number 2. Who decides the rules? Technology is evolving so fast that our laws are struggling to keep up. Think about artificial intelligence. Should an AI chatbot be allowed to replace therapists? Or should governments regulate how it's used? In India, the Digital Personal Data Protection Act 2023 was introduced to protect citizens' privacy. It sets clear rules about how companies can collect and use personal data. But the tech landscape is vast, and more such laws are needed globally. In 2021, the European Union fined a major tech company billions of euros for mishandling user data. This move signals that governments are ready to hold tech giants accountable. But these efforts need to be consistent worldwide. And question number 3, how do we stay human? At the heart of it all lies the most important question. How do we ensure we don't lose our humanity? Technology is great at solving problems, but doesn't understand emotions, ethics, or creativity the way humans do. No matter how advanced AI becomes, it can't replicate the warmth of a heartfelt conversation or the comfort of a hug. In Japan, elderly citizens are increasingly relying on robot caregivers for companionship. While the robots are efficient, many seniors report feeling lonely because machines can't truly empathize. It's a poignant example of why human connection matters even in a tech-driven world. Think of technology as a cricket match. Without rules, it would be pure chaos. Players running in all directions, no one knowing who's out or how to score. Clear guidelines ensure that the game is fair and enjoyable for everyone. Think of humanity and technology as dance partners. Technology may lead with its precision, but humanity brings rhythm, emotion, and soul to the dance floor. Together, they create something beautiful, but only if they stay in sync. As we wrap up this series, let's remember that the future of technology is really the future of humanity. We stand at a crossroads with the power to create a world that's more connected, equitable, and innovative, or one that's divided and driven by greed. After all, the best future is one where innovation and compassion walk hand in hand. That's it for the final episode of Tech in Everyday Life. If you enjoyed watching it, hit that like button. Also, subscribe to Spill Edge and turn on notifications so you never miss upcoming videos. Stay tuned for the next series. Until then, take care and see you next time.